Keep the baseboard straight by controlling movement during mounting and by using alignment techniques before you fully secure both faces. Start by measuring and cutting each board accurately, allowing for seasonal expansion by leaving a hairline gap at the ends and near door casings. When you position a long run, fasten only one face first, preferably the top edge against the wall, using finish nails every 8 to 12 inches into studs and 1/4 inch from ends. This tacks the board in place while permitting minor adjustments. Use a consistent reference line along the wall, such as a chalk line or a laser level set at the top edge of the baseboard, so every board references the same plane. At joints, bring mating profiles flush and apply a thin bead of construction adhesive into the joint. Activate that adhesive with a compatible activator or a small amount of contact cement, where recommended by the adhesive manufacturer to shorten cure time and resist shift when you finish nailing. After the adhesive, but before final nailing on the opposite face, run a straight edge along the face and visually inspect for gaps, twisting, or bowing. If any appear, pry slightly at the first face fasteners or tap the board with a scrap block and mallet until the straight edge reads true. Finally, complete the fastening on the opposite face. Countersink nails, fill holes and joints with a paintable caulk or wood filler, and sand lightly before priming so the run looks seamless. Common mistakes are driving all fasteners at once, which locks in any twist or bow and creates misalignment later. Fix this by only tacking one face, aligning, then finishing the opposite face. Another issue is relying solely on nails at joints, which can separate when seasonal movement occurs. Use adhesive plus an activator at joints and leave a tiny expansion gap at fixed terminations to absorb movement. People often skip a consistent reference plane and align each board to the last board, which compounds small errors into a noticeable bow. Set and use a chalk line or laser level and check with a long straight edge frequently to catch cumulative error early. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact options that match needs to services. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share techniques, recommendations, and real-world troubleshooting for long runs of baseboard and other finishing tasks.